we're back. We dropped the rack and pinion on John's car. Check it out. This thing is crazy nice, man. He just did this the other day. You designed it yourself?
No, I had Rockets vinyl on Instagram.
It looks really, really good. The rack gave out a long time ago.
In February, I want to say. It really did.
Yeah. We don't want to miss out on seat time, so he's been driving it like this, and last week we decided to bring the car over here to my garage and just drop the rack and pinion. So we did that. We dropped it, and then we took it to Texas Tires. Rudy over there, shout out to Rudy. Hey, you were out of town, you were in Japan, and your guys took really good care of me, so shout out to them. Daniel, the whole crew, they sent out the rack and pinion, got it rebuilt for us, and check it out. Looks good. I want to say they did new inners, or they just replaced something that was wore out. Yeah, these inners feel real hard, so they're not moving. They were bad.
Yeah.
Whatever they replaced in there was bad, because you were able to like move it back and forth. So big. That's a big plus. They did that to the inners. They sprayed it, you know, some spray paint, so it looks new.
It's fresh.
Yeah, it looks fresh. Looks fresh. Not new, fresh. So we got some Lucas, some Lucas Earl, some power steering fluid.
It's gonna pop willies.
Yeah. She's gonna turn with one finger now.
Yeah.
We have a new belt. So peep the part number, write it down. That's supposed to fit on a RB25 power steering. We have some new outers. These, I guess you can say they're busted up. I mean, the boot is a little worn out. They don't have like crazy play, you know. But we're already here, so we're throwing on some 300 ZX. They're a little bit longer, but I don't know. We'll see what happens.
We shall see.
We shall see. They're about
like an inch. Like an inch.
Yeah, it's almost an inch. So, oh, the cops are here.
5-0.
5-0.
Hide the drugs.
Hide the drugs. Nah, just kidding. Don't do drugs, kids. End up like this. Look. Oh, damn. But we got. This is the rack bushing. Ooh,
a little shot.
This thing is screaming. Help!
This thing is
help me!
Same one?
Help
me! It's the same one, yeah.
Wow.
It's the same one.
Yeah.
Wow, impressed.
Damn.
Impressed.
Wow, Denise.
Approved.
Hope.
Did you take a before of it?
No. See, what happened was, I forgot. But I know.
So we're starting here.
Yeah, we're starting fresh. But yeah, we're gonna pop this one in today, and we're gonna go sliding all down Jones Road. And, there's a couple of buildings that are closed today because it's Sunday. So John agreed without agreeing. We're gonna go.
Let's do it.
Yeah, we're gonna go tear some stuff up. No, I'm just kidding. But I don't know. Maybe we'll go cruise around for a little bit after this. The weather is super nice.
Nice day today.
Super nice day. We got the 33 out here. I haven't done anything to this after the last Knuckle Up event, which I did not vlog at all. I should have. Damn, I was
just having fun.
I was having so much fun. I was doing so good. I linked the track like really good, maybe like twice.
Oh, it was more than that.
I think it was like 3 times. Like that I approve was a good link. So, but that's pretty cool because you know that was like my second time on at the Speed Sports track. I'm gonna drop some clips right here. Check it out. I didn't get to really make a full video, and the whole time I was telling John like, man, I'm gonna vlog. I just want to get warmed up, right?
Yeah.
I was like, I'm gonna get warmed up. I'm gonna get warmed up. And then I got warmed up, and
It was time to go home.
Time to go. The day was over. So yeah, I haven't done anything to it. I washed it, but I busted this side skirt extension on this side. It's in there somewhere. But what I was thinking about doing was, you see this rubber right here? This is like a rubber add-on lip. I want to do this same thing, but across the bottom. I want to take these off. I want to put it across the bottom, just because all that extra aero, since I'm still learning how to drift.
Look, it's like your car.
It makes me nervous. Oh look, guys, this is a car just like mine.
Twins.
Dang, that's just like mine. That's the US version though.
Pull up.
Peace. But yeah, with that, all that extra aero, it makes me nervous whenever I'm at the track, because I don't want to break it. You know, it costs a lot of money, all this extra aero. So I think I'm gonna do that rubber all the way around. Huh?
What do you do?
You know the rubber that I have in the back?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I want to do that on the sides, and maybe even throw some wrap on top of it so it looks yellow. So we'll see what happens. Peep the new shirt, yeah. Little work apparel, you know.
For sale.
For sale. For the low, hit me up. For the low. But yeah. So let's get started on this. It's still early, so we'll still have time to work on the car and go mess around, go do some stuff today. We'll see what happens. So when we took the rack off last week, we obviously, there's no outer tie rods, so there's nothing holding the wheel straight. So we were trying to reverse the car back on some wood, and it's just giving us too much trouble. So we decided to do the right thing.
We decided to do it the right way.
We decided to do it the right way, and now we're taking off the front bumper. Okay, so
Don't let them see that.
ain't nothing in there. Okay, so we need to make sure that we leave the rack. Okay, so it's full locked right now this way. So we're full locked, and then we're gonna count how many it is full locked that way. That's 1, 2. So it's 3.
Yeah, it's 3.
So it's 3. So we want to leave. So you want to leave the rack and pinion in the middle as close as possible, so that when your alignment guy goes to make the alignment, he's not like, you're not taking him the car like this, and he's like, hey bro, something going on here. You know what I mean? So that's 1. So if it's 3, we're gonna do 1.5.
That's it.
See it right there. So the boots don't really. Yeah, they do.
Yeah, you can tell.
Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna leave it at 1.5, and then whenever we insert the shaft, the steering shaft, or steering column, whatever. What's it called? Steering column is inside the car.
Yeah, maybe
Right?
it's the shaft.
I don't know. The shafter that goes, the shafter thingy, the steering thingy that goes into the other rack and pinion thingy.
That's gonna be my voiceover.
All right. Hey guys, here we are. You start the thing
That
into the
thing
other
that
thing.
goes-
The thing and the thing. I think this is the car part.
Yeah. And this is for the FM radio.
Yeah. We got
Without
that
this,
in.
no 979 in the box.
No jams.
Yeah.
No jams.
No 104 KRB. Oh, y'all don't know about that. 104 KRB. So yeah. So we have it set in the middle, theoretically. So now we're gonna go take it, install it in the car, and insert the shaft in here with the steering wheel being held in the middle. So Denise, we're gonna need your help in the car.
Like,
Where do those go?
Not right now, in a little bit. So we're gonna have to reuse these.
Which are not bad.
They're not bad. They're just a
They're
little.
not the best. They are definitely 25 years old.
Yeah, but they're not bad.
But
though.
they're not, yeah, it's not going to affect anything.
Yeah, they're not like coming apart. Let me see, this one have a flat side too. Oh,
yeah, that one has a flat side.
So I hope we're doing this right. So it looks like this one goes like this.
They're just sitting there like that.
Mm-hmm. All right, bet. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Ah! You see? Guys. All right, so we got the new rack and pinion in. Yes, sir. I'm just buttoning it all up. Trying to get some light so y'all can see.
zip tying it.
Yeah, zip tying it, zip tying it back together. So this is that steering shaft, whatever it is that I was telling you guys about. So, God, I'm trying to get some light. There it goes. Oh, sorry guys, I can't get too much light in there. Sucks. But the shadow that's why. But yeah, I got it buttoned up over there. And John's back there spraying that bracket that goes on this side, and then that bracket is over there, right there. So, trucking along.
It smells.
Yeah. You inhale it, it sends you into another dimension. Safety third.
Safety third. That was on pretty loose. So yeah, a little detour. We found out that John's power steering pump is seized up. So we're gonna take the pump off. Whether we replace it or not, we're still gonna, I mean, whether we mess with it right now or replace it, we still gotta take it off anyways. So that's what we're doing right now. Taking off the pump.
Pump it up.
So we can see what's wrong with it. Hopefully see what's wrong with it.
So worst case scenario, the A pump will work. You just have to drill like a hole in the bracket.
That's cool. All we do is custom work around here anyways.
Custom shit, because we bought these cars that aren't from America.
Let me see those pliers. Yeah. No, the pliers. And then use a ratchet and touch positive and negative.
Yeah, get this on video. Zoom in, Denise.
I just washed my hands. I just washed my hands.
Yesterday.
So you got a KA pump on the way?
About to look for one.
Now she bleeding.
There's a lot. Put the little pan right there.
I'll put a little maxi pad right there for her.
I got you.
Oh, don't worry about it. It's all good though. Lubricate the floor.
Lubricate so I can slip.
So now we're gonna put this Johnny up here and bang the living snot out of her.
So we took it apart last time. All the little mechanisms were working, but
oh, from back here?
Yeah, I took it apart.
Let's do that. Let's take her apart. Let's see what it looks like.
Toast.
Where is?
Yeah, I need this in here.
Oh, hell no!
Put that back together. I'm going to try something else. I'm just scared to tighten it up too much because I don't want to crack the pump or something, you know? Okay, so now, what was I doing? Oh, this thing does not want to turn. It's not want to turn at all. We're going to have to bury this one, guys. This one died in action.
Died in battle.
Died in battle, yeah. This one here, guys, probably died at IAS when John was doing the peanut track. He was full locked. He full locked and then he still hit it a little bit more. Bam! And yeah. This is the result of a leaking racking pinion. And from there it leaked all the fluid out. Made the pump run dry. Locked up the gear. We already tried everything. We tried to get it to turn, but man, it doesn't want to. So this one is
Toasted.
this one's done. This one's RIP. We made it. Look where we're at. Yes, sir. Trinity Tuning. We got the spot. So we came to see Jay, and he just blessed us. He blessed us. So I'm holding my cell phone over it so you can see, but this is John's power steering pump, and this is another RB25 power steering pump that he has. So this is John's pump, super seized up, won't move at all, and this is a normal power steering pump. Look, one finger. We're gonna go back to the shop in a little bit and get that one bolted up on. So hopefully in the next hour or so, I think we'll have John's car back on the road. But that's usually how it is, you know. You want to do something and you plan for 30 minutes, an hour, and it turns into a whole day job, which is fine because today was a really nice day.
He set it up and it worked, but he was saying it was like tweaking out on a couple cars.
What is he running that sim on? Like,
RB power!
Yeah, PC.
oh shit, for real, like
Yeah.
sim.
Yeah, he got like a full PC and everything with.
That turbo's little, bro.
Jeez, son.
Well, you good?
I almost tripped over this.
You
Look at
almost
that.
ate it right there. I saw
I
that.
had my teeth in that turbo.
Oh my god.
My God, this
Yeah,
is
that's
custom right here.
John, that's the AC filter.
I could tell.
That's the filter for the AC.
It's
That's
with the blinker fluid.
yeah.
Oh yeah, well, I was waiting for your ass. I was waiting for your ass, John. I was over there last night, chilling, you know, going. I'm like, you know what? I'm like, what is John show? I'm like, nah, Johnny show.
So we're back from Jay's. We were there for like 3 hours.
You can't just go to Jay's.
Man, you literally can't go to Jay's and like just do one thing. If you're watching this, Jay,
It's because we love you.
we love you, bro. Yeah, we're not
Because we
making.
can't stop talking.
Yeah. But yeah, great person. Badass conversations every time. Yeah, we were there for like 3 hours, man. But it was fun. We talked about a lot of funny stuff. So Fabio was telling John that we should probably flush out the lines, the power steering, the hard lines, you know, because, or at least from where the pump is back, because there could be metal shavings in the line, and we don't want to get none of that in this. I won't say new because it's not a new pump, but it's not the old one that's all seized up. So it's new to the car.
Well, the rack, so you don't want to do that trash.
Oh, in the rack. I'm sorry, in the rack. Yeah, the rack has been freshly rebuilt. So we don't want to get all those metal shavings. John's cleaning up the other power steering pump that we just got. Trying to make it look like it just came out the box.
Made like OEMs.
Yeah, OEM over there.
So I'm gonna pop my hood.
But so I'm about to get under there and disconnect that
Oh yeah.
line from the power steering rack, so we can put a little bit of oil in the line and most likely push it through with some air from the compressor. But yeah, let's see how that goes. So it's already 10, so we already agreed that we're not gonna go past 12.
That shit, you don't want to wear adults.
Yeah, we adults, we gotta work, we got bills to pay.
Yeah.
So if we don't finish today, we'll probably finish it tomorrow.
Wrap it up tomorrow.
But let's see how far we can get. What is this? Day.
This is day 3 because
Day 3 or 4?
Day 3 because day 2 all we did was that bolt.
Day 3, and we're back at it again. We're gonna finish today though for sure.
This is the final day.
Yeah, we got the power steering pump on that we went to pick up from Jay's. We got the belt on that I went to O'Reilly. AutoZone actually. O'Reilly failed me this time. AutoZone got me a 4-rib belt. What else?
When you had one.
So yeah, we're gonna drain the line. We're gonna push some fluid through the line, and then because the old pump went bad, it locked up, seized up, and when we took the pump apart, there was looked like glitter, so there was a little bit of metal shavings. So we got a rebuilt rack. So we don't want to mess up the rack, the new rack. So we're gonna push some fluid through the lines, clean it up just real quick. We're just gonna put some fluid in the reservoir, start it up. The line's disconnected down there. It has a hose running into a water bottle. We're gonna let it just circulate whatever's in the reservoir. And then we're gonna plug the line back into the rack, and then we're going to
Let it rip.
have the car jacked up. Just turn the wheel back and forth a couple times.
Yeah.
Get the air, as much air out of the system, and then let it rip. We're gonna do a big ass burnout right here in the driveway.
Burn down the garage.
Yeah, right here in the garage, man. For real, we should. I don't know. We'll see what happens. So right now we're pretty much purging the system. We're getting as much air out of the system as we can before we actually put the wheels on and put it on the floor and go drive it around. So it's always good to do this before you just go out and start driving. Try to get as much air out as you can. You good over there, John?
Yeah. My hands hurt.
Hey, your arms are spaghetti from yesterday. Yeah.
Oh, God.
Both are good. So we got the rack and pinion on. Now we're gonna make sure everything is good. But yeah, it's on and he's driving it around. You had forgot what this feeling was like, huh, John? Yeah, you're good. You're good on fluid. You're good. It is cold max. Then you got hot max up there. That's pretty good.
Yeah.
Add a little bit more if you want.
It was overflowing. You want to put
No,
more?
it's not. Maybe just a tiny bit. Just because while you're driving it, it'll be sucking it in more and more, We're gonna take care of his valve cover gaskets next, but it would have been done a long time ago. But that power steering pump was bad, and if I would have just put my hand on it, while it was on the car, I would have known that it was seized up. But yeah, we ended up getting the rack and pinion rebuilt, and it was sitting here in the garage for like 4 days. Good thing that Jay had an extra power steering pump laying around, so we're good. We're Gucci, ready for this weekend.